welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a special and my favorite recipe, rainbow cake. This rainbow cake is a special recipe because it is my birthday. Today actually. It's your birthday in November, okay? Calm down, Annie. Remember, we made cake for your 6 month. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the ingredients. This mighty baby wants to play right now on the table. Mighty bean. Yay. Yalini, say hi. Say hi. Yay! Now we're gonna make the cake batter. The first step is to put the eggs in and whisk them. Now I'm gonna get the eggs here with the magic trick. Here they are. Okay, now I'm gonna break them in. Now my beautiful eggs are gonna get crushed, okay? Whisk them. It's yellow and it's getting bubbly. Now I'm gonna add 250 ml of milk. Whoa, it looks like molten cheese. Once we whisk it, I think it'll turn better. It's like in a light yellow color. And I'm adding 250 ml of vegetable cooking oil. Oh, you guys must have seen it. It looks so cool. There are bubbles under there. It looks like bits of yolk, boiled eggs yolk. You guys will see it if you make it. So make sure to make this. You guys might be like, I want to see it. Now make sure to make this recipe, then you can see it. It looks so awesome and satisfying. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar. Now let's whisk it. It's time to add the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So first, I'm gonna add the baking powder, baking soda, salt. Now you just have to sieve it. I'm using a spoon for this one. Now it's time to whisk it, but do not whisk too hard. Otherwise, my mom just said that. Okay, mix it slow. I'm done mixing it. Do not overmix it, otherwise the cake won't be fluffy. Now take them to batches and add food colorings. I'm adding blue food coloring in. It's your choice. And I'll take a spoon and mix it. My first bag is, I made it blue color. I'm going to bake it for 10 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm using an 8-inch cake pan. So let's go bake it. Now I have my red batter. And the blue is also done. Came out of the oven. I know it looks small, but after I add the tires, it'll look awesome. For the frosting, I'm using 4 sticks of butter. And I'm using normal sugar. I powdered it real good with the mixie. You can take a little bit and it just melts. If you put it in your mouth, it just melts. If it doesn't, that means you didn't powder it good. Now let's start by putting in our butters. Now I'm going to use my hand whisk to whisk the butter and then add little by little some sugar. So let me start. I'm done beating the butter. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar. Now I'm going to beat it again. Okay, now I'm done whisking it. I added butter and sugar. Now it's time for the vanilla extract. Now let's whisk it. I'm done mixing the frosting. It should be this stiff. Let me taste it. Yummy. It tastes awesome. Now we gotta wait for our cakes to be completely cool, otherwise the icing will melt. Now I have my cake here. I'm gonna take a little bit of white frosting and place it on the cake. Now I'm gonna add the next layer. I'm gonna take some frosting. Now I'm doing it for the last layer. I'm done frosting the cake. Now I'm taking pink food coloring for adding some designs. It's your choice. I'm just using pink because I like it. I'm doing the designs. I'm making roses. That's it, the cake is ready. I'm getting ready for my birthday party. Now it's for the tasting segment. It tastes yummy. I love cakes because they're always sugar and they're junk. You guys also try this recipe. You can try it for a special day or just for having fun. You guys also enjoy your party and have fun. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.